Hello children, welcome back to the English class. We'll continue the lesson Pronouns and Kinds of Pronouns. We know that a pronoun is a word used instead of noun. In the previous classes, we learned 4 kinds of pronouns. Which are they? Yes, personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and possessive pronouns. And today we will learn more about the remaining kinds of pronouns. Next one is indefinite pronouns. What is indefinite pronoun? Pronouns that refer to something that is not definite or specific are called indefinite pronouns. Pronouns that refer to something that is not definite or specific is called indefinite pronoun. That means indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to a person or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Words such as all, some, somebody, anybody, anyone, any, another, everybody, many, few, nobody, etc. are indefinite pronouns. Look at these sentences. Some are born great. Everybody is taking part in the race. Many of these eggs are rotten. None of these apples is ripe. Somebody has stolen my book. Listen, children. The words some, everybody, many, none, and somebody do not refer to any particular person or thing. Hence, they are called indefinite pronouns. Is it clear, children? What is an indefinite pronoun? Yes, pronouns that refer to something that is not definite or specific are called indefinite pronoun. They refer to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Clear, children? Okay, then the next kind of pronoun is reflexive pronouns. Let us see what is a reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronouns are those pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself. Once again, pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. Let us see some examples. I injured myself. You hurt yourself. We often talk to ourselves. He enjoyed himself. She blamed herself for the mistake. The words myself, yourself, ourselves, himself, and herself in these sentences are reflexive pronoun because in these sentences the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself. Hence they are called reflexive pronoun. What is the reflexive pronoun, children? Yes, pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. Is it clear, children? Now look at this table, children. We can see how personal pronouns change into reflexive pronouns. We know the 3 kinds of personal pronouns. Which are they? Yes, the first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and the third person pronoun. Let us see the first person pronoun. Which is the first person pronoun singular? Yes, it is I, and its reflexive form is myself. First person pronoun Plural is we. And its reflexive form is ourselves. 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 It is the plural form. The second person pronoun singular is you. Its reflexive form is yourself. And its plural form is also you. But the reflexive form of you in plural is yourselves. The spelling is YOURSELVES. Yourselves. And the third person pronoun. Which are the third person pronouns singular? Yes, he, she, and it. Their reflexive forms are himself, herself, and itself respectively. The plural form of he, she, and it is they. 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 And its reflexive form is themselves. 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 It is plural form. Clear, children? Now, let's have a recap of what we learned today. Today we learned two kinds of pronouns. They are indefinite pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to persons or things in general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. The words such as all, some, anybody, somebody, anyone, any, another, everybody, many, nobody, etc. are indefinite pronouns. Then we learned about the reflexive pronouns. What is a reflexive pronoun? Yes, pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. The words such as myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and themselves are the most commonly used reflexive pronouns. Is it clear, children? Okay, now it's the time for me to wind up the class. All of you read and study the textbook and also do the exercises given in the textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.